And in fact, the sun isn't even hitting it directly, and there's a little light that's lit up on the USB ports. It comes with 2 USB ports to be able to charge. This company reached out to me about their foldable solar panel. It's a 13-watt fold-in-half solar panel, and you can charge USB devices like your phone or other small gadgets. It actually, the build quality is really nice. It folds up pretty nice and small, pamphlet kind of thing. So all you do is you just open up the Velcro and there reveals the solar panel. And it's got these hooks on the sides where you can hang it from wherever you want, off of a backpack or on the wall or on top of a car or whatever you can think of. And they provide you 4 carabiners to be able to clip onto them. The carabiner is pretty nice, nicer than other ones I've seen. And you can just clip on to the side, and then you can hook it to a tree or your tent or whatever you can think of. They also provide a simple USB-A to micro USB cord to be able to charge several devices, and an instruction manual. On the back there is this zippered part that can shut close, and you can store your cables, carabiners, or other items in here. In fact, you could hook up your cell phone, plug it in, and charge it while you're backpacking or hiking through the forest. It does have a little dust port here for the USB, and in fact, the sun isn't even hitting it directly, and there's a little light that's lit up on the USB ports. It comes with 2 USB ports to be able to charge. We've got some things here to test today. I've got this wireless charger all set there. I'm going to plug this in. Okay. And then I've got an iPhone 12. So we'll place that there, and there it's charging. Yep. It's still charging, even if I'm blocking the sun. There's no direct sun hitting the panel, and it's still showing that it's charging. So I wonder how far it'll go before it'll stop charging. So well, that's weird. It's closed completely. Okay, it has stopped charging. So now if I slowly open it, we'll see at what point it begins to recharge. There it goes. It is now recharging. If you hold the panel directly into the sun at a good angle, you'll get the most rechargeability out of this panel. So it works for the phone. Then I also brought my laptop to try. It's a MacBook Air, the latest one that Apple just released. I'm gonna try this out and see if it will charge the laptop. I have this cool little cable that's got USB-A and C to USB-C and micro USB. So I'll go ahead and plug this in to the panel. We'll plug it into the computer and see if it will charge. Now I've got both devices plugged in, the phone and the computer. Let's see if anything pulls up. Nothing's pulling up for charging yet, so let me unplug the phone. So now we've got just the computer plugged in. Let me try plugging it in again on its own. And there is no charge. Still no charge. The sun is pretty bright. It's about 7:30 at dusk. but it is in full force. And I can see on the back of the solar panel, the red light is definitely lit up. Let me unplug and plug it back in to see if that'll make a difference. No charge. Anyways, that was a little excessive of an attempt. There could be a couple factors going wrong. This cable, sometimes Apple products like a certain type of cable, and this cable may not be strong enough to provide the power that the laptop needs. Or the simple fact that the computer may require a minimum of 40 watts to be able to charge. So this, I wouldn't say this is the solar panel's fault at all, because it's rated for 13 watts and it's mainly designed to charge cell phones for what it's really supposed to do, which is what it's doing. So go ahead and put this away. And if we go ahead and hook the phone back up to the solar panel, instantly starts charging. So pull the phone off to see what battery percentage it's at. Bring you up closer to show you how this works. Okay, so place the phone down and it's at 58% and it's still charging on the phone. As you can see, if I start closing the panel, we'll see if it's when it starts or stops charging. So it's fully closed and now it's stopped charging. So let's slowly start opening it and see. Oh, just holding it open that much has started to charge. Let me fold it the other way and see how it goes that way. And I'll show that it stopped charging. And then how much to hold it open before it starts charging again. I just barely have it opened and the sun is in the opposite direction. Open a little bit more. A little bit more. Nothing. We lost the screen. Open up halfway. No charge. Open it a little bit more. A little more. Still no charge. Fully open, and it starts charging. So this is a really good panel. I mean, we're probably not getting the full 13 watts, even though we do have some really strong sun right now. It could be stronger. We would be able to get more watts during the middle of the day when there's more solar power being produced. This is an excellent product choice for camping or backpacking or anything outdoors. If you just need to be able to charge your phone or some small cameras or any just small devices or even lights, battery powered lights at night, this would be perfect to be able to charge those types of devices. It's about $40 on Amazon. I think sometimes you can find a coupon or a better discount for it, but the build quality definitely feels strong and rigid. I should say that this company sent this product to me for free to review. That being said, I'm not trying to be biased. It definitely feels like it's a good product. Now, I don't have anything to test it against long term because I just received it, but everything that I've seen it for, my initial thoughts and whatnot, I think it holds up to what it promotes itself to be, and I think it's a good product. So if you're looking for this type of device, I think this would be money well spent. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a good one.